A 1 English listening practice, nature. Hi, Tom. Do you like nature?
Hi, Anna. Yes, I do. I love animals and plants. Do you?
Yes, I do too. What animals do you like?
I like dogs and cats. They are very friendly. How about you?
I like birds and rabbits. They are so cute.
They are. What about plants? Do you have a favorite?
Yes, I like flowers. Roses and tulips are my favorites. What about you?
I like trees. Oaks and maples are very beautiful. Do you have any plants at home?
Yes, I have some potted plants. I have a fern and a cactus.
That's nice. I have a small garden with some tomatoes and herbs.
That sounds lovely. I want to start a garden too.
You should. Gardening is fun and relaxing.
I agree. Thanks for the chat, Tom.
You're welcome, Anna. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.